Spicy frog meat cubes recipe. This dish is characterized by its fresh, tender, and well-seasoned frog meat cubes. Take out the processed frog meat cubes and thaw and rinse them thoroughly. Pat dry with paper towels to remove excess water. Heat up the oil in a wok or deep frying pan. Add the frog meat cubes and fry until they are about 70% cooked. Remove from the wok and set aside. In the same wok, stir-fry the Sichuan peppercorns, ginger, garlic, and the spicy seasoning packet until fragrant. Add 300 milliliter of water to the wok and bring it to a boil. Then add the frog meat cubes and simmer for 5 minutes until fully cooked. Once done, dish up and to serve. The frog meat is well seasoned and has a slightly spicy taste, else high in protein and low in calories, making it a perfect dish for any meal.
Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.